Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be demonstrating and showing you how to do a speedometer gauge self-test on 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maximas, and any other Nissan you could try it. You'll see if it works on yours. I do not know all the Nissan, even Infiniti it might work on, but this is to do a self-test. So I'm gonna set you down the tripod, I'll show you what the first step to do. All right, so you want to hold down on this, and then we're going to push the stop button twice. So first time it's ACC on and then on, and once it turns on, push 1, 2, 3, and then it's going to go into self-test mode. So as you can see, all that has changed to that. This will go bright and dim. Let me get the camera focused, and then you see everything's at 0. Then to do the self-test, it's not automatic. If you push this, press and hold, you see all the gauges move, well, needles move. You let go, they drop. If I push again, they raise back up. Then that's how you can tell if your needles are working and functioning properly. And then this is turning bright and then dim to do a test on that. These lights you don't have to worry about, it's fine. And then to exit, just turn the car off. And then to start the car, I'll show you that those lights that was here goes away. So see? Everything's perfectly fine. So those lights is just part of the self-test. Don't mind the tire pressure sensor light. I don't have the factory sensors. Well, the sensors that was attached to this car is sitting right over there. So the sensors that's in my Nismo rims is different. I haven't had it programmed yet, so it's still searching for the sensors over there, but my rims are fine. But that's how you do a self-gauge or a speedometer test in some Nissan Maxima. And like I said, I do not know all the vehicles that this will work on, but if you have a Nissan or Infiniti, it's worth a shot to see if it works on your car. So if it does, leave a comment below. That way anybody else that's watching this video know 100% sure if it will work or if it won't work. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.